In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply for JetStream Federal Credit Union credit card online. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link jetstreamfcu.org/personal/spend/credit-cards. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll directly be led to the credit card interface of JetStream. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is click on this option apply now that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to check the eligibility. You'll be able to see the eligibility criteria over here. You'll have to confirm you meet at least one membership eligibility requirement. Make sure to read this very carefully. If you meet the eligibility, what you have to do is simply check on this box yes. After you do that, also check on this box I'm not a robot. Now click on the proceed option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to another interface. Now you'll be able to apply for the credit card. First of all, what you have to do is simply select the type of credit card. You'll be able to find three options over here. Preferred rewards card, non-rewards card, secured card. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the second step. Over here, what you have to do is provide your information. First of all, enter your personal information. You'll be able to see the question over here. Are you an employee of JetStream Federal Credit Unit? Are you an employee of JetStream Federal Credit Union? Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, enter your first name. Now enter the middle name if you have any. Likewise, what you have to do is enter the last name. Also, if you have the suffix, you can enter it over here. Likewise, enter your SSN. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply enter your date of birth. First of all, enter the month. Likewise, enter the day. Now what you have to do is enter the year over here. Also enter your member number if you have. Now also make sure to select the citizenship status. Simply click on the field. Now select the option of your choice. Now scroll down. Now what you have to do is provide your contact information. First of all, what you have to do is select the preferred contact method. Simply click on this field and enter the option of your choice. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply provide your email. Make sure to provide a valid email address. Also enter the home phone number. You can also provide the cell phone number and work phone number if you want. These are completely optional. Now after you provide the contact information, what you have to do is provide the physical address. First of all, enter the address over here. Now enter the zip code. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply enter the city over here. Now also select the state. Likewise, select the occupancy status. Now select the occupancy duration. Likewise, select the month. Now what you have to do is simply provide the identification details over here. First of all, select the ID type. Click on the field of ID type and select it over here. Now after you do that, enter the ID number. Also select the ID state. Now what you have to do is simply enter the ID date issued and ID expiration date over here. Now after you provide the identification details, you'll also have to provide the financial information. What you have to do is simply enter the gross monthly income over here. Now after you do that, you can also add other income if you want. Now what you have to do is select the employment status. Now also select the profession or job title over here. Also enter the employer. Now what you have to do is select the employment duration over here. Now you can see over here, you'll also have to enter the monthly expense. Now what you have to do is simply upload the documents. What you have to do is upload a copy of your valid driver's license, two most recent pay stubs, and a proof of insurance for vehicle or home equity loans. Simply click on this option and you'll be able to upload it. You'll also be able to see the question over here, do you have another applicant? Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, in another step, what you have to do is simply review the informations, review all the informations and submit the form. Now your form will be submitted. Now they'll look into the form that you submitted and you'll be able to receive the credit card. So that is how you apply for JetStream Federal Credit Union credit card online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.